In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix PayPal not letting me transfer money. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are encountering issues when trying to make payments using PayPal, either through the website as I'm gonna be demonstrating here, or through the mobile app, usually this problem happens because your account is suspicious and you need further verification to be able to use PayPal and its services. So the first course of action that you should take is to go over to your wallet tab, and in here make sure that you have at least a card or a bank linked. By linking a credit or debit card or a bank account to PayPal, they are going to be able to do the first layer of verification to ensure that your account is not suspicious and allow you to make payments to other people or services through PayPal. You can easily link a card or a bank through this page, so choose whichever option you prefer and include all of the details here. As long as all the details are valid and legitimate, you will be able to have it linked to your account and, like I said, improve the verification system that PayPal automatically does for all its users. Now, besides this option, if you still cannot issue payments even after a couple of hours or even days, the next thing to check is to go over to your settings page. So click this little settings icon, and in here you might have plenty of indicators on whether or not you are able to issue payments through PayPal. Of course, like I said previously, PayPal does an automatic check in order to see and approve its users. So in here, make sure that you have a contact email, phone number, address, and everything else is set up. Like I said previously, the idea is the same. If you are able to verify your identity with valid and legitimate documents and other contact information, PayPal is going to automatically approve your account and you will be able to resume using its services as usual. The two most important tabs to check here are the account tab, where you can issue different sorts of documentation and contact information, and the security tab, where you can browse through security options to make sure that your account is never breached and that you always have access to it on your end. Once you are done with this process, automatically you will be able to resume to use PayPal and its services, and you can send or request money as necessary. If you are still encountering issues with all of this setup and your account with enough contact information and a card or bank account linked to it, you might want to talk to them. So click contact us and describe your issue. They will be able to guide you through the process and tell you why your account is or isn't approved to make payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix PayPal not letting me make payments. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.